Standard 5th subject English 2. Chapter 7, the adverb kinds of adverbs. Chapter 7, the adverb kinds of adverbs. An adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb and tells us how a thing is done, when it is done, or where it is done. For example, the bird sang sweetly, hurry came late as yesterday, the sun shines everywhere. Now student, what is adverb? Adverb adds to the meaning of a verb. If I say the boy ran fast, ran क्या हुआ? वर्ब हुआ. एडवर्ब जो है वो वर्ब को मीनिंग देता है. हाउ? बॉय कैसे रैन कर रहा था? फास्ट रैन कर रहा था. तो फास्ट क्या हुआ? एडवर्ब हुआ. रैन वॉज एक्शनिंग वर्ड, वर्ब. ओके. काइंड्स ऑफ एडवर्ब. There are 6 kinds of adverb. Adverbs of manner shows how an action is done. How means कैसे action हो रहा है. मोहन act wisely. मोहन ने कैसे act किया? How the Mohan act wisely. She ran fast. She ran fast. So how did she run fast? She spent all her wealth foolishly. How did she spend all her wealth foolishly? The soldiers fought bravely. So bravery is adverb of manner. The boys rode well. Adverb of manner. Adverb of place shows where an action is done. Where means कहाँ पर हम बोलते हैं ना. अब ना where doesn't mean student ये किसी place का name होगा. Where can be here, there, outside, everywhere, anywhere, nowhere. ये सारे भी adverb of place ही होते हैं. Okay. If I say pencil is lying here, तो pencil कहाँ पर है? यहाँ पर है. If someone asks you that where is your school, so my school is there. आप point out कर रहे हो, तो there is also adverb of place. The boys are waiting outside. We looked for her everywhere. Hither and thither the children ran. Hither and thither means यहाँ और वहाँ, कहीं भी भाग रहे हैं means. Adverb of place, adverb of time shows when an action is done. Now time doesn't mean 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. Time means yesterday, today, tomorrow, day after yesterday, day before yesterday, daily, now. This is also an adverb of time. He came here daily. She left early. She will come presently. The doctor is coming immediately. Immediately means जल्दी आ रहा है डॉक्टर. तो immediately is also adverb of time. कब आ रहा है डॉक्टर? Immediately. अभी आ रहा है, जल्दी आ रहा है, हम कहते हैं ना. Adverb of time, adverb of frequency shows how often an action is done. How often means कितनी बार action हुआ है. तो adverb of frequency. Now कितनी बार means doesn't mean कि 1, 2, 3, 4 नहीं, हम words पर भी denote कर सकते हैं. Twice, thrice, often, once. Okay. Seldom means student कि rarely means कभी कभी action हो रहा है. Okay. Twice the boy struck him means 2 बार boy उसके पे टकरा गया. He seldom comes here means कभी कभी वो आता है यहाँ पर. We often talk to ourselves. He visits us once. Adverb of degree shows how much or to what extent a thing is done. Degree क्या बता रहा है? How much or to what extent means कितना. ये countable नहीं होता student. कितना means you can say that very, थोड़ा बहुत बोलते हैं ना, तो somewhat, quite, entirely. So all this is adverb of degree. He was very tired. कैसे tired था वो? बहुत ज़्यादा tired था. He was quite torn off. Okay. कैसे torn off था? Quite means बहुत ज़्यादा torn off था वो. He was nearly exhausted. Nearly exhausted means बहुत ज़्यादा थका हुआ था और वो थक के अभी उससे कोई और वर्क होने नहीं वाला था. Nearly means क्या होता है कि बस वो अभी give up ही कर देगा. He is entirely deaf. Entirely means वो completely deaf है. She was somewhat pleasant. Somewhat means thoda bahut. So how much? Somewhat. What extent? कितने extent? What extent कब use होगा student? Nearly, quite या entirely हम बोलेंगे ना तो what extent? Okay? कब कहाँ तक means extent means कहाँ तक. Each of adverb in the above sentence shows how much or to what extent a thing is done. She is quite strong. She was almost angry. Her face is very beautiful. The glass was nearly full. Your face is extremely red. In above sentence, the adverbs quite, very, extremely, almost and nearly, which are used with adjectives strong, beautiful, red, angry and full to add something to their meaning are also called adverbs of degree. Now student, this strong, beautiful, red, angry and full, ये सारे adjective student means quality है. He is quite strong. तो वो कैसा है? वो strong है. Quite क्या हुआ? Adverb of degree हुआ. So that means adverb of degree जो है वो adjective पे add कर रहा है meaning को. Interrogative adverb are used for asking question. As we all know that interrogation sentences are WHO sentences. WHO questions पूछे जाते हैं. When did he come? How are you today? Where did he go? Why are you late? Position of adverb. The most commonly used adverbs are always, usually, generally, often, sometimes, rarely, seldom, ever, never, occasionally. The following table illustrates the position of adverbs before finite verb. See. The sun always rises in the east. Always क्या हुआ student? Adverb of frequency. Good boys never tell lies. This is all adverbs. Okay. ये generally यही adverb use होता है ज़्यादातर. Mr. Sen occasionally goes to the cinema. Occasionally means कभी कभी. Sunday or something. My uncle rarely writes to me. Rarely and seldom is one and the same. We generally get up at 7. Tony usually cycles to school. He sometimes visits his grandfather. Hari always goes to school by bus. Mrs. John hardly ever plays tennis now. His wife often goes to bed late. So ये सारे subject है. This is adverb and this is verb. Rise is verb. Tell, goes, write, get, cycles, visit, goes, plays and goes. ये verb है. Okay. This table illustrates the position of adverbs after a finite verb. Okay. I am always at my home on Sunday. Always is adverb. At verb होता है. Okay. He is never at home on Sunday. Does she often go to cinema? They don't often go to the bed late. You should always try to be punctual. You will occasionally visit her parents. We generally drink tea after lunch. I have rarely seen better work. Rarely means seldom. You must never tell lies. You can seldom see her crying. Seldom means rarely. Okay. Exercise 1. Rewrite the following sentences using the adverb in bracket in its proper place. He has deceived any person. Never. ये हमें use करना है sentence में student. Okay. Rewrite. He has never deceived any person. ये adverb दिए हुए हमें. Okay. He hasn't finished. Bracket क्या है? Yet. He hasn't finished yet. He has arrived just. He has just arrived. He is late for school often. He is often late for school. He gets up at 6 usually. The film was good fairly. I have any money? Hardly. She goes to see a movie occasionally. We lost the match nearly. He comes home late generally. She sings in the presence of her friends sometimes. He visits his grandfather rarely. We have found the answer already. The sun sets in the west always. She thought that her friend would come to know of her secret. Never. Let's see the answer. He has never deceived any person. He hasn't finished yet. He has just arrived. He is often late for school. He usually gets up at 6. The film was fairly good. He have hardly any money. She occasionally goes to the cinema. We nearly lost the match. He generally comes home late. She sometimes sings in the presence of her friends. He rarely visits his grandfather. He has already found the answer. The sun always sets in the west. He never thought that her friends would come to know of the secret. Exercise 2. Pick out the adverb in the following sentences, underline them and write what kind of adverb each one is. Some sentences may have more than one adverb. What is done for you? Walk forward and then walk back slowly. Forward and slowly. Forward क्या हुआ? Adverb place and slowly adverb manner. Yesterday she wrote her exercise neatly. Yesterday क्या हुआ? Adverb time, neatly adverb manner. The sun shines everywhere. Okay, everywhere adverb frequency. The smoke rises upward. Upward adverb place. Today you have not done your lesson well. Well adverb manner. Today adverb time. He never comes home late. I sometimes work very hard. The servant has gone downstairs. He cannot spell these words correctly. The king treated the queen very cruelly. She is somewhat better today. Your watch is not quite right. She came here late today. Tell her to come early tomorrow. The door opened slowly and the queen walked out. All the children shouted suddenly, the mother is here. I hope you will soon be well. He seldom comes here now. The young girl opened the door of the cage and the bird flew out. Yesterday adverb of time, neatly adverb of manner, everywhere adverb of place, upward adverb of place, today adverb of time, well adverb of manner, never adverb of degree, late adverb of time, sometimes adverb of degree or frequency, very adverb of degree, downstairs adverb of place, correctly adverb of manner, very cruelly manner, somewhat degree, today time, quite degree, here place, today time, early time, tomorrow time, out place, slowly manner, in place, suddenly manner, here place, soon time, seldom time, now time. Exercise 3. We write the sentence by using an adverb from the box instead of each phrase in the color. See, हमें जो ऑप्शन पहले देख रहे थे, एगो soon, easily, immediately, everywhere, sometimes. See, हमें ये replace करना है, okay? Have you at any time been up in the balloon? Any time? Ever? I have looked in every place for your glasses. Everywhere. In every place is everywhere. Now and again she works quite hard. Sometimes. In a short while we shall have finished our breakfast. Soon. She would do this work without any difficulty. Without any difficulty, easily. She came to see me without wasting a moment. Have you ever been up in the balloon? I have looked everywhere for your glasses. Sometimes she works quite hard. Soon we shall have finished our breakfast. She would do all this work easily. She came to see me immediately. Exercise 4. Complete the sentence filling in the space with the most suitable adverb choose from the box. Noisily, early, swiftly, silently, slowly, tunefully, patiently, brutally, rudely, bravely. The horse stands tunefully. He ran, dashed and won the race. The orphan has been dash treated. The teacher explained this lesson dash to children. The children played dash in the garden. He went to the bed dash. The butler tripped dash inside the house. The old man walked home very dash. Twice the man dived in dash into the river. Never speak dash to anyone. Tunefully, swiftly, brutally, patiently, noisily, eagerly, silently, slowly, bravely, rudely. Exercise 5. Fill in the blanks with the adverb opposite in the meaning to those given in brackets. Choose from the box. So this is the option. Politely, carelessly, happily, quietly, late, cruelly, foolishly, upset, wrongly, sadly. अब फिर हमें अपोजिट चूज करना है. ये जो ऑप्शन हमें दिया हुआ है इसका अपोजिट हमें यहाँ पर चूज करना है यूजिंग दिस ऑप्शन. ओके. The king treated the queen dash kindly. Kindly का अपोजिट क्या होगा? Badly. Our team played dash well. The servant has gone dash downstairs, upstairs. He never does his work dash carefully. Carefully का carelessly. He always comes home dash eagerly. Eagerly का क्या होगा? Late. You have spelled this word dash correctly. Correctly का क्या हो जाएगा? Wrongly. You must not eat your food dash slowly. Slowly means quickly. Some of the children behave wisely, foolishly. The farmer looked dash at the sky. The boy spoke dash to the old beggar. Cruelly, badly, upstairs, carelessly. Late, wrongly, quickly, foolishly, happily, politely. Define. Adverb. An adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb. Hari came yesterday. Adverb manner. It shows how an action is done. She ran fast. Adverb place. It shows where an action is done. We looked for her everywhere. Adverb time. It shows when an action is done. He came here daily. Adverb frequency. It shows how often an action is done. She visited us once. Adverb degree. It shows how much or to what extent a thing is done. He was very tired. Interrogative sentence. It is used in asking questions. For example, how are you today? CW one time in textbook, HW two times in notebook. Thank you.